Ubah perstun tensong sembut meterang ba kajela ulo ong ba kalong ke eke ke bamla banlong ban ai mar arspa sq.metre ka jaka bat mar arpolak yaman na ki longïing kat kum ke jingdawa ka harajan panchayat committee ban penken ria na Them Īewmawlong. Ubah perstun ulo ong ba yamanta umparla banong ei halok ke jingpen pau ke HPC ban num kerja na kate ka jaka namar ka jingbam hun ya ka blueprint kata namar ka jingbam pendrung ya ki pratili ki mat jingdawa.
See, right now I will not be able to tell you anything. We will again call a meeting. Yes, I just received today that letter sent by them, which is not, from their side, they said it's not acceptable. So, the plan of action, because as per the letter, it seems they don't want even to sit across the table to discuss what is the plus, what is the minus. So I'll not be able to tell you right now. Then, because now this direction comes from the Honorable High Court too, that we need to sort it out. So that I think I'll be able to tell you only when we send the affidavit to the Honorable High Court. As per their demand, I think it is not possible to the government to do it everything. We'll not be able to do it. Their demand is what? One is 200 square meter plot of land, and number two, 20 lakhs each unit, which is how can we consider that one? From day one itself, when we had a meeting, I told them very, very clearly, we'll have a blueprint which is acceptable to both sides, because nowadays it's not so easy to get even a plot of land. But now we prepared the blueprint and we have already sent it to them, and they get such a wonderful place, such a wonderful location, which is also falls on the European world. Nothing like it. But still, when I received the letter today, so I have nothing to say right now, as I said, because again, from the government, as I said to you, we will ultimately submit our affidavit to the Honorable High Court. See, you go through to those arguments. They said they already here 160 years. Is it correct? Is it justified? 160 years you've been here. So therefore, I don't want to comment further. So if they want to fight, let them fight.